Welcome to our channel. Creative with Technology. Today we are going to learn how to design a nice camera effect in Canva. First, let's design our scene. You can add a photo you love. I will add a living room. I will add a standing girl and check animated so the scene will be more fun. Let's decorate the room for a birthday. Add nice balloons. You can find many free choices if you don't have a pro account. Some decorations. Some gifts. And a happy birthday phrase. A nice cake. Now we will download the photo. First one is JPG to come out from the camera. The next is a GIF to present the screen of the camera. Now add a camera from the elements. Now add the downloaded GIF photo. Put it over the camera to look like its screen. Let's group the camera with the image. Duplicate the page for the descending counting. Add the numbers. Add a photo frame. This one is good. Now add the JPG photo to put inside the frame. Note, the download list doesn't appear here because of my screen recorder. Group the image with the frame. Go to Position. Put the image behind the camera to start making the effect. Duplicate this page. Drag the image to be under the camera. Now we will add a transition between the two pages. Choose Match and Move. Increase the duration. Now add animation for the numbers. From Animate, choose Breath. Adjust the page time. Let's preview the design. From Share, click Present. Let remove number 1 from the last page. Let's add sound effect. Search for camera shutter, then choose audio. This one is perfect. Add it to the third page with number 1. Let's add a suitable birthday music. Put it for the whole design. Now we will add a timer sound. I uploaded it to Canva from pixabay.com. Let's preview again. The music is louder than the shutter sound, so we will increase the shutter volume and decrease the music volume. Let's preview. Good. Copy the sound effect for the next 2 pages. Preview again. adjust the volumes again. Finally, add a new page. Copy the framed photo and paste it inside the last page. Put it on the whole page. Now add a transition between the last two pages. Choose Match and Move. Increase the duration. Let's preview the design for the last time. That's so amazing. Now it's your turn to design your camera effect. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.